Have you ever felt like life is slowly slipping out of your control? Like no matter what you do, people stop respecting you, and you can't figure out why. It's not always about money, looks, or status. Sometimes, it's about the habits that quietly drain your value as a man. Here are 7 signs you might be becoming a low-value man, and how to fix each one. Number 1, you constantly seek validation. If your happiness depends on someone's approval, whether it's likes, compliments, or attention, you've already given your power away. High-value men know their worth, even when no one's watching. Fix it by learning to validate yourself through discipline and self-respect, not applause. Number 2, you make excuses for everything. Blaming others for your failures feels comforting, but it kills growth. Low-value men justify why they can't win. High-value men ask, what can I do better next time? Take ownership, that's the real mark of maturity. Number 3, you have no purpose. Drifting through life with no clear direction makes you easy to manipulate and forgettable. Find something to build, a skill, a mission, or a legacy. Purpose gives a man strength, even when everything else falls apart. Number 4, you let emotions control you. Rage, jealousy, and insecurity, these are signs of weakness, not passion. A strong man feels everything but acts with control. Master your emotions, or they'll master you. Number 5, you've stopped taking care of yourself. When you stop caring about how you look, move, or feel, people stop caring too. Discipline in grooming, fitness, and health signals self-respect, and people notice. Number 6, you surround yourself with mediocrity. If everyone around you complains, avoids growth, or settles, you will too. Low-value men fear being alone. High-value men would rather walk solo than follow the wrong crowd. Number 7, you've lost your edge. Comfort is dangerous. The moment you stop challenging yourself, you start decaying. Get uncomfortable again. Do what scares you. That's how men evolve. Because being high value isn't about money or muscles. It's about strength, purpose, and the courage to grow, every single day. Stay sharp, and never stop leveling up.